Oh, girl, what the heck? Why you don't unlock on me there? Oh well, she said. Oh, thank you so much. I guess. Well, oh. Okay, I will just go down and wait. Don't tell me. That Piggy. What the heck is she doing? Grip. Wait, why there's no jump scare sound? Oh, maybe it got copyright. Well, never mind. Let's just log in on the stairs in there. Oh my God, she is following me. Help! Oh my God. Oh, wait. Okay, get the key. Hope she's not here. Wait, let me see. Oh! Yes, sir! We completed. Oh, did she just kill someone? Oh well, never mind. Is there? Oh, yes, sir. Wait, where am I? Oh. Oh well. Well, maybe. Let me just select a little border. Okay, let's just 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, maybe this map. Gallery is my favorite. Or metro, I guess. Hello. Oh. Wait. Don't even tell me you're gonna select it. Wait, no. Why attack mode? Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh. Yep. He is a Piggy. Oh. Not this time. What is he chatting? Oh, red key. Let's just go to the stairs. Is there a key over there? No. Oh, orange. Uh-oh. The Piggy. Oh! Now the player is left. Oh, thank you for the plank. Oh. Oh, never mind. What? Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, let's just unlock it. Wait. Oh, he's down there. Wait. Is he come here? Oh, I think that was a little bit weird. But let's just go. Oh. Wait. He's gonna come up. Oh my god. Go, Donkey, go. Yes, sir. Oh, someone unlocked it. Okay, let's go. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get the key! Go! Yes, sir! Yes, we escaped with the blue hair guy. Oh, let's go. Wait. What? Oh, why someone left? Oh, someone got premium. Oh, hello. Oh, wait. Let's just select the station. Oh, never mind. Metro. There. Now let's just select the bot. Oh, what? Wait. It don't work now. Now what am I gonna? Oh, thank you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, the bot has been selected. Okay, now let's just go. The end of this map is kinda sad because she led us to find Mr. P, and now she is gonna getting infected. Oh well, let's just go. Oh well, no. Oh, why the door push me? Close the door. Oh wait. Oh, I see the green key. Oh, let's just get it. Oh, he's got a crossover from the bunny. She's just sitting there. Oh. Uh-oh. The zombie Piggy is here. Oh my god, someone just got here first? Oh my god. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh my god, close the door. Close the door. Open the door. Wait. Don't even tell me what is he gonna come to. Wait. Oh. Wait. What? Wait. What? Oh my god, he's here. Oh my god, run. Run, everybody. Wait. Wait, where's the yellow key? Because, wait. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, close the door. Oh wait. The room? Oh, there is orange key. No. It's too late. Oh my god. Go. Oh, there is a coin here. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Wait. Come over here. Wait, come over here. Wait. Come over here. Wait, never mind. Oh, he's getting a coin. Oh, thank you so much. Oh well, wait. Oh, red key. Now let's just unlock. Oh, wait a minute. Is he gonna come here or what? Let me see. Oh. Don't even tell me. He's. Oh my god! Oh, thank you so much. Oh, okay. I see the coin over the red door. I hope she's gonna get it. Go! Let's go. Close the door. Yes, sir. Get the blue key card. Wait. Oh my god! Don't even tell me he's gonna come here. Wait. Let me get a key. Wait, where he is? Where is the bot or some Piggy? Oh well, come over here. Oh my god, close the door. Oh, yes sir. Let's go. Look. Oh well, thank you so much for watching guys.